ladies, welcome back to Love Janelle. I am Janelle. If you are new to my channel, welcome. So today, that was out. Okay, so today I have a mini legging haul. Yes, a mini legging haul showcasing some discounted leggings that you may want to check out if you are just starting your fitness journey. So this isn't just for people who are starting off their fitness journey. Obviously, this is just for anyone who doesn't want to pay $70, $80, $90 plus on a pair of workout leggings, especially when you don't intend on staying the same size for too long. Now, obviously, when we are going on our fitness journey, we are starting at one size, and most of our intentions are to get smaller, or if you're smaller, you intend to get larger. So you don't want to fork out, like I said, upwards of $100 for a pair of workout leggings, and you won't be able to wear them a few months or maybe a year down the line. So what do you do when you still want reliable workout leggings but don't want to pay high prices? You kind of have to bargain shop. So that's what I did. I went around to a few stores. Most of them are discount stores. I did find one online, and yeah, pretty much those kind of stores. I know those are available to lots of people, and lots of people know you can get clothing from there, but there are quite a few people that don't look at the clothes at all. They go straight to the decor section and get little pieces of furniture and things like that. So this is just to give you the heads up. There are quite affordable things in these places. As well as leggings, you have other athletic apparel. You also have athletic tools and things like that. You have cups and weights and yoga mats and things like that. So if you are in the market looking for some affordable workout gear, workout mats, things like that, I would suggest places like Marshall's and Ross. And if you don't know, like, I'm just saying, even Five Below is actually a really good one too. You can get a lot of things in there. But anyway, today this is for workout leggings. One tip I have is, if they do have reward programs in these stores, make sure you join the rewards programs, because they do pay off in the long run, as you'll see in the video a little later on. A lot of time when I'm looking for workout leggings, I'm looking for a good quality, something that you can squat in without seeing all of your underwear. I want them not to ride down when I am doing a squat or any physical activity, because obviously we're working out in them. I want them to look nice. And if you'd like, I can make another video showcasing some really cute leggings. These are really basic leggings, I'm not gonna lie, but they are good to work out in, and they are not very expensive, as you will see. I also like high-waisted leggings, even though these leggings aren't very high-waisted, but they do cover your fupa if you have one, like the little problem area that a lot of women have, especially after having children. So the little area down here, they do compress and they take care of that for you. So if you do end up liking this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. Join the crew. Become a lovely. And when you do subscribe, make sure you go ahead and hit that notification bell. That's how you're notified when I post new content to my channel, which I will work on being more consistent with. But enough of me ranting. Let's get on with the video. First, I'm starting off with these black New Balance leggings I got from Marshall's for $12. They are a polyester spandex mix, which makes it very comfortable to work out in. They do appear to be squat proof, and they do not ride down when I work out in them. I actually did work out in these, and they're a dry fit material, so I didn't see sweat patches all in the crotch area, which usually happens when I work out. Next up are these tricolor leggings I got from Walmart. Yes, I said Walmart. I usually don't go clothes shopping in Walmart, but I was curious to see what they had in the realm of athletic wear. They're a cotton polyester spandex mix, but I feel like the dominant fabric in this is the cotton, because it doesn't have that smooth finish. I ended up paying $3 for them, even though they were on clearance for $9. Next, I have some leggings from Marika. These are the Isabella long leggings. I paid $20 for them off of a link that I got from Instagram, so I think it was the website, but I did see them in Marshall, so you can get them in there for the same price. This material is super soft, and I do recommend these leggings. Now, I got these black ADIDAS leggings from Bells or Bales, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I paid $12 after some rewards and promotions that they had, but the price was $21.99, which I still think is fair. They're a good quality legging, and I've already worked out in them. They don't shift, and I love these ones.
Now I know this haul is for leggings, but I wanted to squeeze in a pair of shorts in this video too. These ones are from the company New York Laundry. It's a sports edition and I got them from Marshall's. Now I don't remember exactly how much I paid for them. They were between $7 to $12. These have 4-way stretch and they also have some compression to them, so they do tuck in your problem areas. I usually don't work out in shorts, but I guess I'm gonna start now. Thanks for watching my mini haul, and until next time, lovelies.
Have you subscribed yet? Go ahead, do it.